cut right now.
Yeah.
Tell me the things you like and the things you don't like.
So I like how it's not as choppy. I feel like it's growing out, definitely.
It's blended a little bit more.
I don't like how it's so heavy up here.
Okay.
This side, I don't know what's going on. I have no idea what's going on.
So my first thought is like, even if you took off, you don't need to take a lot, but maybe if we just started like an inch to an inch and a half, just to make this a little bit cleaner and to bring it up, because it'll marry the layers a little bit more.
Okay.
In the middle, it looks heavy here, and then like when I cut this off, it looks like there's not a ton of layers towards like the bottom part of it. All the layers are kind of like right here. So I just need to break this up, go through and probably like add some layering underneath. I want to do something called slide cutting, where I'm not cutting like a hard layer at a blunt angle. I'm going in and I'm like sliding through, which gives, does that kind of, can you what's happening on this side so everyone can see? It stops right here and then goes down because they cut their facial framing too far past her ear. So that's just something we're going to consider. On this side, it's not so bad. She didn't cut her facial framing too far back. It's still a little thin, and she cut a hole, you can see, right here. So that's what we're going to try to take care of.